Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own Hyip investment system using LiteHyip PHP script. So let me give you the quick overview of this website that we are going to create. So this is the website that we are going to create. You can see LiteHyip website. So this is the landing page of the website. You can see how amazing this landing page is. Here you can see total members, average investment, total visitors of the website. Here's the about page of this website, you can see, and here the latest investment plans. So you can see here why you trust our service. You can add blogs here, and you can see the front page or landing page of this website. So this is the website that we are going to create. You can see here you can see top investors of this website, payment we accept, and this is the photo section. So here are different sections you are given with. Here is about section, plan section. When you click it, it will redirect you to about section. Here is plan section, here is feature section, FAQ, gateway, and contact section. So you can see here is a complete contact page of the website. Here visitor can contact the developer or the controller of website. So you can see all the things of website. Here you can register on website directly. You can see all the things, and from here login option, if existing user can log in to the website to log into his account. So you can also change language. English, Hindi, Bangla, and Spanish languages are given. So let's log into the admin panel and let's see its admin panel. So admin. So our admin panel has been opened. You can see. So this is the dashboard of admin panel. You can see total user, active users, email unverified user, and total deposits, pending deposits, rejected deposits, and you can see all. This is the dashboard of admin panel. So here also graph option is given. You can see graph of your monthly withdraw and deposits, transaction graph, and here you can manage plans of website, different plans. So you can add new plans or remove plans from here. From here you can manage users, active user, ban user, email unverified, and many more. There are payment gateway option. There are different payment gateways option provided you in this website. You can see all the payment gateways, and you can also add payment gateways manually by yourself. So there are deposit options and withdraw options, sport ticket option, general setting. From general setting you can basically change the site setting. You can change site title, currency, referral commission, and many more, time zone, etc. And system configuration, you can change logo of website, you can change extension. From here you can change logo of website. Basically you can add your own logo to the website. So here are languages option and SEO option, SEO manager option. You can manage SEO of website, KYS settings, notification setting, manage templates, manage section. From here you can manage different section of the website. You can add, you can completely change the structure or control different sections, add, remove as you like different sections. So this is the quick overview of the website. Now to create this website, let me clear you that you must need a Hyip Lite PHP script. Now this is a Code Canyon PHP script. Now let me take you to another page. So this is a Code Canyon PHP script. You can see LiteHyip simple Hyip investment system, and its price on Code Canyon is $59, and this is only valid for 1 year, and after 1 year you have to extend it with $20.25. So now if you don't want to spend this much money over website and you need the license for lifetime, I can provide you this script and completely for lifetime latest version. So you can contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you a complete script on a very low price, and this is a very high price. I will provide you on a very low price. So let's start building our website. So now I am going to host this website over a XAMPP server, mean local host. You can also host it on your hosting server. The installation process will remain the same. So let's start building our website. First of all, you have to turn your XAMPP server on if you are hosting it on localhost. So my XAMPP server is already on, Apache and MySQL are on. So let's go to our script. So this is our script of LiteHyip. I will just copy my script and go to my htdocs folder of XAMPP where my XAMPP is installed. So here I come to XAMPP folder htdocs and I will paste the script here. So now what you have to do is you have to just right click on it and extract the file. So it will take some time to extract. So viewers, our script has been extracted successfully. So you can see this is our script. Now what you have to do is you have to right click on it and copy its name. After copying its name, you have to go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using in your PC. So type localhost and you have to put this name between these two forward slashes. So now click enter, press enter, and also type files /install and just enter it. So you can see our Visor Lab script installer has been opened successfully. Now click on I agree next step, and for installing this you must have to satisfy all these requirements. You can see all the requirements. In my case all the requirements are fulfilled, so I will just click on next step, and here I have to fill the database details, all the database details. So let's create database. So type localhost /phpMyAdmin. So it will redirect me to the phpMyAdmin website. So here I click on database, create new database with the name Hyip Lite or LiteHyip. So click on create and our database has created successfully. Now go to privileges option and create the user of the database. I will create the name user with the same name as that of database. So LiteHyip. Select your host. In my case it's localhost, so I will select localhost and type your password. Type it again and scroll down below, click on check all option and just click on go option, that is in the last here, and the user has been created successfully. Our database has created and user also is created. So now go to your easy installer window by Visor Lab. So here you have to fulfill those details. So our database name is LiteHyip. Our host is localhost. Our user is also LiteHyip. Our password is also LiteHyip. And here you have to fulfill the admin credentials. So our username is admin, password is also admin, and email is admin@admin.com. Now just click on install now option and it will install our script. You can see your script has been installed successfully, valid license, and please delete install folder from the server. Now go to your htdocs folder in the script. Here you have to go into files and just delete this install folder. So our install folder has deleted. Now go to your website and click on go to website and activate, and it will redirect us to the website. So you can see our website LiteHyip has been established successfully, and this is the website that I give you the demo previously. So you can see this website has been created successfully. Now thanks for watching my video. Now if you need PHP script, you can directly contact me on the number given on the screen. You can WhatsApp me and I will provide you the script. Thank you very much.